So today I'm going to apply this VIEVE primer. It looks like this. I have been using it lately on my clients, on my models, and it's a very good product. It hydrates very well, it has some particles, makes the skin glowy, also makes the foundation last very well. Skin Perfecting Radiance Primer and Hydrator, applied to bare skin for an instant effortless glow, were used as a primer under makeup for a hydrating, long-lasting complexion. It has skin-loving ingredients with ultra-fine pigments to give a golden hour glow to the skin. I've noticed just right now that this product is made in Korea. Makes sense why I love it, because I just love K-beauty products. I've already used quite a lot of it, so let me show you the texture. It has a gel texture. As you see, it's not clear. It's gold, but no matter what kind of skin you have, it's fair light or light to medium, it won't look so gold, even if you have fair or light skin. It smells so nice, so luxurious. Like I said, it has a gel texture, it's a bit sticky, which is so good because this way the foundation will stick better to the skin. Okay, I'm going to apply it all over the face with my fingers. So much baby hair that sticks to my face and I hate it, but you know what? Let's leave the hair to grow, yeah? It has such a nice texture. Leaves the skin glowy, but not so greasy, you know what I mean? Because my skin is combination, like I said, and I have such large pores in the T-zone, and this primer doesn't emphasize them. Of course, if you don't have spots like me or melasma, you can wear this product alone. Gives such nice feeling to the skin. I think it blurs a little bit the pores and the skin, makes it smooth and nice and glowy. I think I'll apply a bit more because, like I said, my skin feels so dry, especially here. So, it's so important to feel your skin. If you feel it more dry, apply more skincare. If you feel it oilier, you don't need to apply so much skincare, yeah? Makes the skin so soft. Like baby skin. I really like this product. I also can use it on the chest to make it glowy and to look nice in pictures. So beautiful. Look at this nice glow. The skin looks so healthy, like I said, not greasy at all. And the scent is so nice and subtle. I also apply it under the eyes, a bit on the brow bone. Just make sure with this primer to spread it very well on the skin, because if you don't spread it very well, it will look a bit patchy in those areas where the particles aren't spread, if you know what I mean. So make sure you spread it very well with your hand or with a synthetic brush.